Hi, Ray Bulte here, Bulte Holdings. I'm an affiliate with 3 Doors. Today we're at 1044 Ormond in Kirkwood on a project we just wrapped up on a gut rehab. Come on inside, let me show you around. Welcome inside to the spacious living room with brand new hardwood floors, brand new windows, and custom stone fireplace. Welcome to the dining room, once again with brand new hardwood floors, brand new windows with amazing light and light fixtures that open up into this epic kitchen area. Start out with our brand new stainless steel appliances, our designer granite countertops, custom white shaker cabinets, amazing light fixtures, and a range hood that'll make your head spin. This 3rd bedroom offers privacy for a teenager, for a mother-in-law, for someone that might want to be out on their own. Also attached to the bedroom is the 2nd full bath of the house. Welcome to the master bedroom, where we have original hardwood floors that have been sanded, stained, and refinished, as well as amazing light from the brand new installed windows. Welcome to the main bath with brand new fixtures, amazing lighting, custom floor tile, and wall tile all the way down to the accent tile in the shower. I'm excited to show you the finished basement. We have an extremely large laundry room, a mechanical room, as well as a large recreational area with shelving for plenty of storage. Final 2 rooms of the house create 2 tremendous spaces to allow for guests and entertaining. I want to show you the outside of the house with this fantastic 2-car garage and a bonus parking pad. Out front, I wanted to show you the brand new concrete sidewalks and porch, along with the new landscaping, brand new roof. I want to thank you for taking the time to spend a few minutes watching our video and taking a look at 1044 Ormond here in Kirkwood. My name's Ray Bulte, Bulte Holdings, an affiliate of 3 Doors. You can call me at 314-280-4489 or get a hold of Andrea and she will take care of you. Thanks again.